that is the video today for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just a simple eyeshadow tutorial that I just wanted to do for you, just to play about again with my Fenty beauty palette and also my Revolution Pro. I love the look. I hope you guys did too. A couple of other things I wanted to speak about that I'd also bought lately. I bought this pink clay mask, which is from Primark, because pink clay is like one of the big things to use on your face at the moment. It's just a lot of the brands, especially the what's it called? It's the Australian pink clay. That's gonna annoy me. It will be on the screen, blah 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 blah, here somewhere. Yeah, they are a bit pricey. So I actually came across this in Primark and it was 80p. And I tried it out today. You get 15ml in there and you pretty much just rip the packet open, put it all over your hands, put it all over your face and wait 15 minutes and then wash it off. And I've got to say, my face feels great. It feels so much smoother today, and I feel like it's helped my pores a lot as well, because my pores have got a bit bad lately because I hadn't done any face masks or cleansing or anything. I have been slacking quite a bit, but like I said, this is really, really good. And like, it's 80p. 80p. It's a pore refining facial mask enriched with pink clay and lotus flower extract, detoxify and refine. So yeah, highly recommend that. Next thing was this NO7 highlighting drops. I actually got this from the Glamour Beauty Festival that I recently went to. I'm not a fan of NO7 makeup. I don't really tend to go towards it. This woman there pulled me aside and asked if I wanted to try the highlighter, and I said, well, why not? That's what I'm here for, to try out new things. So I sat down and she asked what kind of colour highlighter that I wanted, and I said that because of what I had gone for on that look that I went for that day, I wanted more of an icy highlighter. So she recommended this, which is the white gold highlighter one, and she put it on. I loved it, and that was it. I was sold, so I bought it. I think it's originally £13 to buy in store, and I got it for £7.20. But it's lush. I have again put it on again today, as you can see here. It's great to put on the cheeks and that. I have gone over it with a highlight powder over on the bridge of my nose, the tip, and also my cupid's bow, just because I found it a little bit harder to apply in those areas. But I love it. I love the shade of it. Recommend definitely getting this. It is so nice. And then I also bought the False Lash Queen PS mascara, which is dramatic volume, fullness and length from Primark. This was £3, and it's supposed to be a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is a mascara that I've been wanting for so long, and still haven't been able to try yet. But anyway, I thought I'd try this out to see what it's like. But another thing that I did actually get from the beauty festival, you get a big goodie bag. You'll see in my previous video what I did get in the goodie bag. You'll probably have seen this, but this is the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. Now this was free in the goodie bag, so I was chuffed with that, and that is the only reason why I didn't buy the Better Than Sex mascara from the show, because I thought I'd try this one out instead. So I thought I'd compare these two and see what they were like. So the Primark one is 100% better than the Too Faced one, in my opinion, on these two. The Too Faced mascara, I don't know, the wand on it is so big. I swear to God, it's bigger than my actual eye. And it gets a bit scary getting that close to your eye with such a big wand. But it's a 24-hour mascara, and it's supposed to intense the black lashes, long wearing results, long lasting curl, and full on volume. I'm not a big fan of the full, like, thick false lash look. I'd rather go for something a bit more subtle. So this mascara isn't really one that I would have gone for myself, but I don't like the clumpy look with the lashes. So out of those two, I definitely would prefer the Primark one, but I still think I want to try the Better Than Sex mascara. But just take a look. Anyway, this one here is the Primark mascara, and this one here is the Too Faced. Let's see what you think. Just comment down below your thoughts on whether you tried these mascaras and which one you actually think looks better. or applied better. I just find that the Primark one, it just applied it a lot better. Didn't clump up any of my lashes, and I still will be using this. It's an expensive mascara. I kind of wish that we'd had the other one, the Better Than Sex one, free, but hey, I'm not complaining because it was free. But yeah, I'll definitely still use this. I might actually try it maybe more on a night out, where you do kind of want those thicker lashes anyway. The last thing that I wanted to talk about was this here. This is the Huda Beauty lip kit. It's a contour and strobe lip kit that I got from the beauty festival. I've just realised I didn't even use it as a contour at all. I probably should have read that before I actually used it. I literally just got it for the shades. So these lip kits are £29 to buy normally. I think that's just what I found on Cult Beauty. But this actually cost £19 from the beauty festival, and they had a choice of 4 different shades, but this is completely up my street. I love having like mauvey kind of shades, and I love it. It's a little bit sticky, but I don't know whether or not that's the lip strobe over the top. Normally I would just go for matte. I will just definitely try it again without that, but I wanted to try the full thing. But I love it. It was quite liquidy and dried really matte to start off with, but it feels so lightweight, and it's the first like proper Huda Beauty product that I've actually got. The only other thing that I've ever had is another like lip strobe, which I've only used a couple of times over something. So yeah, I was really chuffed with that, and I got £10 off it, so it was an absolute bargain. So yeah, I'm happy with the colour of it as well. So yeah, that was the video for you today. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, remember to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts. I'd love to hear your views on any of these products and on the video. Also, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and remember to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me over on my social media accounts, which are linked in the description box just down below, and also the handles are just on the end screen at the end of this video. And until next time, take care.